Good day to everyone. We'll learn about next type of testing, that is alpha and beta testing. It is a type of a software testing. It is done by the test engineer to identify the bugs in the software before releasing the software to the live environment. Alpha testing, it is also called as the user acceptance testing, that is UAT. Beta testing, it is a type of a user acceptance testing. It is done by the real users in the live environment. Once the application is released to the production environment, this type of testing it is done by the real users. In beta testing, the users they will be asked to provide their feedback on the release. It is also named as beta version. In beta testing, the user is given an opportunity to test out the product to uncover any bugs or issues related to user experience before it is rolled out to the rest of the users. Beta testing, it is also called as crowd beta testing. It is a type of a testing wherein the group of test engineers, about 100 to 500 engineers, they will be sitting in one place and they'll start testing the live application with the different devices. If they find any of the defects, they will log these defects in the Jira tool. This type of testing it is called as crowd beta testing. Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our video or updates. Thank you.